In a Village by the Sea by Muon. In a fishing village by the sea, there is a small house. In that house, high above the waves, is a kitchen. In that kitchen is a bright glowing fire. In that fire is a pot of steaming noodle soup. By that soup sits a woman watching and stirring. By that woman is a sleepy child, yawning and turning. By that child, tucked in the shadows, is a dusty hole. In that hole is a brown cricket, humming and painting. In that painting is a sudden storm, roaring and flashing. In that storm is a white boat, crashing and rolling. In that boat is a fisherman, hoping the storm will end soon. Because in his village by the sea, there is a small house, and in that house is a family waiting for him to come home. Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.